I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yup, 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 yup. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz like this? Yes, did you all enjoy the rhyme? Shall we start our session, children?
Good morning,
Yes?
ma'am.
Good morning, Santosh. Good morning, Mahilini. Yes, good morning, everyone. Okay, now all of you mute yourself. We'll start the session. Good morning, Kavi Kartika, Sri Ananya. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay. Okay, we'll sing Madhavanti first. We'll start the session. Good morning, Varsha. Okay. Okay, all of you stand up. Ma'am, there is a person named John Basha and another Ramya Venkatachalam. Who's that, Mama? I don't know, two names are there,
Ma'am?
but the video is not enabled.
Yes, Janbasha is like, I am here to
Ma'am, I'm the teacher
observation
that
class.
is. Rashikat Kadyu and Jan Basha, that is the teacher, ma'am.
Okay,
I told
next
you, no?
Ramya.
Ma'am, it's
Ramya,
Mitra's mom.
Mitra's
Yeah,
mom.
yeah.
Correct.
Okay, I was not
Yeah.
able to see the screen.
Sometimes
Okay,
I
thank you
face
so
a
much.
connectivity issue. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Okay, children, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Yes, Shivanya is going to repeat after ma'am today. Okay, Shivanya? Ready? Sai Shivanya is ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready, go. Yes. Yes, okay, ready, steady, go. Okay, kids anthem. You are within. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. Today I say you are the wings. Beneath my flag, you define me. My potential inside.
Today I play. Today I play. Today I play.
Today I play.
Ah.
With all my might, I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, wonderful, awesome, Shivanya. High five, Shivanya. Very good. High five. High five, Kana. Caught cold, huh? High five. Good girl, Shivanya. Very good girl. Awesome. Well done. Okay, thank you so much, children.
Where is
Yes.
Santosh? Santosh is not available in the place.
Santosh. Okay, children, ready for the warm-up activity? Don't sit down, all of you stand up. Get ready for the warm-up activity. Come on. What's going on? Ding, ding. Yes, very good children. All of you go drink one glass of water and come back. Come on. Yes, Dashwan. Very good, Dashwan. Next is Hazel.
Hazel is on leave today, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Jacinda Joy. Jacinda Joy is also on leave, ma'am. Okay. Next. Next. Very good, Jason. Next. Very good, Keshav. Next. Very good, Radhyarni. Next. Sai Shivanya.
Here I am.
Rudwin, mute yourself, Rudwin. Okay, next. Okay. Rudwin.
Here I am, sir. Here I am.
Very good, Rudwin. Next. Who's this? Here I am. Very good, Sada. Okay, next. Who's this? Where is Santosh? Santosh?
Here I am, Chole. Here I am, Chole.
Who's this in this photo? Is this Santosh?
Yes, sir.
Say here I am.
Here I am, Chole. Amma,
Okay, say here I am.
Here I am, Chole.
Here I am.
Amma, here I am, Miss Chole.
Very good, Santosh. Next is very good, Ananya. Next is who's this? Who's this? I am here. Here I am.
Here I am.
Very good, Sugriv Gautam. Next.
Here I am.
Very good, Visha Sai. Next is Who's this? Where is Kavi Kartika? Kavi Kartika? Kavi Kartika, I saw you. Where are you? Come on. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next. Very good, Mahilini. Next is. Very good, Mitra. Happy? Yeah. Are you happy? Okay. Thank you, Mitra. Okay, next. Risha. Risha.
Trisha is on leave today, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, next. Next. Very good, Tarneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. And last but not the least, who's this?
சொல்லு நீதான்
Who's
ஏன்
this?
சொல்லு ஏன் சொல்லு
This is not Vihana. Vihan, this is not you.
சொல்லு ஏன் சொல்லு
Very good, Vihan. Thank you so much, Madhuvanti. You alone have to send your photo. Okay, Madhuvanti? Thank you, children. Thanks for your attendance. Now, shall we go back to our attendance rhyme? Sorry, rhyme session. Okay. Yesterday we learnt a rhyme. What rhyme was that, children? What was that rhyme? Yesterday we learnt a new rhyme, right? What was that? With our fingers. What did we learn? Anyone mute yourself and tell me. Yes, Tarneshwar. Yeah. Finger family rhyme. Okay. So, okay. Thank you, Tarunesh and Sugriv Gautam. Mute yourself. Today again we are going to sing the same rhyme. Okay. Daddy finger, daddy finger. Where is your daddy finger? Daddy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Where is daddy? And here is daddy. Daddy finger, all of you show your daddy finger. Yes. Mummy finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Here is your mummy finger. Brother finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is your brother finger. Okay? Sister finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Baby finger, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? Yes, all of you learned the finger family, right? Okay, come on, all of you show me your daddy finger. Let me see. Daddy finger. Which is your daddy finger? Everyone. Very good. Which is the baby finger? Baby finger. Which is your baby finger, all of you? Baby finger, not the mummy finger. Baby finger. This one, the small one. Okay. And where is your mummy finger? Where is your mummy finger? This is your mummy finger. And brother finger? Sugriv Gautam, where is your brother finger? Yes, very good, Varsha. This is your brother finger. And sister finger? Sara, which is your sister finger? Show me. Which is your sister finger? This one. 1, 2, 3, fourth finger. This is your sister finger. Okay? So very good, children. Another rhyme. Alphabet rhyme. A, B, C, D rhyme. Ready, all of you? Come on, do along with the actions, okay? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z. Sugar on your bread. If you don't like it, better go to bed. Next day morning, come to school. I will teach you What mom is going to teach you? A, B, C. Okay? Yeah, A, B, C. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, Madhuvanti. Thank you. Very good. Okay, now what alphabet is this, children? Come on. What alphabet is this? Capital A. Yeah, very good, Mama Elini. Capital A, small a. And what is the phonic sound and action? Yes, all of you mute yourself. Just do the action. What is the action for A? Answer my arm. Answer my arm. Answer my arm. They are causing me alarm. Okay. And this one, Sri Ananya, what is this alphabet? One by one, I'll ask you, children. Ananya, what is this alphabet?
B.
Very good. And what is the phonic sound and action for B?
B.
B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B. B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. B. All of you should do the action. Come on, Sarah, do the action. B. Okay. Thank you, Mananya. Next is Dashwan. What alphabet is this? Dashwan. Dashwan.
Madhuvanti,
What?
mute yourself, Madhuvanti.
மதுவந்தி பாரு கூப்பிடுறாங்க பாரு.
Madhuvanti, mute yourself, ma.
என்னன்னு கேக்குறாங்க சொல்லு சொல்லு.
Very good. Capital C, small c. What is the action?
ஆக்ஷன்.
This
Phonics
is the
sound.
action. Madhuvanti, mute yourself, ma. Madhuvanti, I'll call you, okay? When I call you, you can unmute yourself, okay? Ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Ka. Okay? And the next letter, who's going to say? Shivanya. Shivanya. Very good. Capital D, small d. And what is the phonic sound and action? Action. Very. Very good. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da. See me play upon my drum. Very good. Well done. And then next is, who knows this rhyme? Who knows? Madhuvanti knows that? Who knows? Okay. Mahilini.
ஆக்ஷன்.
Yes, Mahilini.
ஆக்ஷன் வித் ஆக்ஷன்.
Capital E.
சொல்லு.
Okay, now the phonic sound and rhyme.
எக்ஸ் சாங். பாரு. உனக்கு தெரியுமே பண்ணு. எப்படி பண்ணுவ?
Eggs in the pan.
பாடு.
Eggs in the pan. Eggs in the pan. Like this.
Yeah, very good. Well done, Mahilini. Thank you so much. Okay, next is F. Who knows for F? Taruneshwar knows the? No for F. Capital F. Small f. Phonic rhyme and the action. My friends and I.
My friends went to beach.
Okay, I'll sing for you, Taruneshwar. Okay. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hold. The air came out. Okay. Very good. Next is this one, Keshav. Keshav. Where is Keshav? What is this, Keshav?
What is this?
G, capital G. This one?
This one, Mama?
This one? This is capital G. What is this one? Small G. Come on, sing the rhyme. Phonic rhyme for G.
G song,
G,
Mama.
G, G. Come on, Keshav. G, this one. Ga, 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 ga. Very good. Well done, Keshav. Okay, next is Varsha. Varsha, what alphabet is this?
Say
H,
capital.
capital H.
Hat.
Ah,
Small hat.
very good. Now sing the phonic rhyme. I like to.
I like to hop, hop, hop. I will
Up
hop.
and down.
Up
Ah,
and down.
I like to hop, hop, hop all around.
Singer.
Come on, sing, sing, sing. Correct only sing,
I
Varsha.
like to hop, hop, hop. Up and down.
What is the action? Action? Ha, 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 ha. Yes? Ha, 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 ha. Very good, Varsha. Next is Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti.
சொல்லு சொல்லு ஐ என்ன
Capital?
capital
Capital I.
capital I small I சொல்லுங்க
Come on, sing the rhyme.
ரைம் சொல்லுங்க ஐக்குள்ள ரைம் சொல்லுங்க
Sing the rhyme. Inky the mouse is my pet. Come on. Don't know? Huh? I don't know what you are saying, Madhuvanti. Don't know the rhyme? Who knows the rhyme or shall I sing? Who knows? Anyone knows?
தெரியாத மேம் தெரியாத
Okay, no problem. Anyone knows the rhyme? Inky the mouse is my pet? Mahilini knows. Okay, come on, Mahilini. She spilled the ink and got wet.
தெரியாத பாப்பாக்கு எனக்கு சொன்னாங்க நீ
Madhuvanti, mute yourself, Madhuvanti.
மியூட் பண்ண சொல்றாங்க
Okay. Inky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. Okay, what is the action, Marilini? Ink is wet. Here, near your mouth. Near your mouth you should do. Ink is wet. Very good. Next is J. Vihan. First you say the alphabet.
What is this?
Capital J.
J.
Now come on, sing the rhyme. Oh, what will I eat with it? Ja, 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 ja. Okay, very good. Okay, till J we have learned yesterday. Okay, today we are going to learn another set of words. Are you all ready? Come on, listen carefully, children. This is capital K, small k. Capital K, small k, and the sound is k, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, k, k, k. Come on, all of you do the action. How will you fly a kite in the sky? K, k, k. You will pull the string, right? K, 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 like this. Okay? And next is L. Capital L, small l. Capital L, small l, and the phonic sound is l. All of you roll your tongue and say l, children. Roll your tongue inside l. I want to see everyone doing the action. Come on. L. Roll your tongue inside. Vihan, listen, Vihan. L. Okay. I lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. I lick my lollipop. See here. Roll it inside, okay? Not outside, roll it inside. Next is M. Capital M, small m. Capital M, small m. Mom and the dad makes many meals. What is the phonic sound for M? All of you rub your stomach. That is the action. Come on. Rub your stomach. How will you rub your stomach, children? Yummy, yummy food. Mummy is making yummy, yummy food. Means what you'll do? You'll rub your stomach, right? Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Okay? Next is N. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. Here the aeroplane. How will the aeroplane fly, children? Do the action. How the aeroplane will fly? Stretch your hands like this. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Here the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. All of you say sound of N is okay. And finally we have O. Till O we'll learn today, okay? O, capital O, small o. Capital O, small o, okay? It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh. How will you switch on the light, children? With your pointer finger, right? Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Okay? So we learn till from K to O. That is from A to O. Rest of the letters we'll learn tomorrow. Okay, children, all of you look at the screen. Let's see some pictures related to the alphabet. All of you look at the screen, children. Come on. A for apple. Apple. I want you to do the action, children. Apple. And next is B. B for banana. Yes, all of you mute yourself, children. First I'll say, okay? Banana. And next is C. Mitra, what is this? C for car. Very good. C for car. Well done. Next, Sugriv Gautam.
Jurassic Park.
Jurassic Park. Oh my God. D for
Dinosaurs.
dinosaur. What the dinosaur is doing? It's dancing. See. D for dancing dinosaur. Okay.
Dinosaurs. Down.
Chuchu, you're naming even the dinosaur, huh? Chanceless. Very good boy. Such a smart boy I have in my class. Next is, who's going to say Radhyarni? Radhyarni. Very good. F for fish. Very good. Jason. Jason.
Guitar.
G for guitar. Guitar. Okay, Jason. Jason, look at the screen, Jason. Come on.
இங்க பாரு அது என்னன்னு சொல்லு.
D for guitar.
Guitar. Very good, ma Jason. Next is Taruneshwar.
Elephant.
H for helicopter. Okay. Santosh.
Igloos.
I for igloo.
Igloo. சொல்லு அப்பதான் தருவேன். Igloo.
Very good, ma Santosh. Thank you, Santosh. Next is Mahirini.
What's this? J.
Jellyfish. Very good, ma Mahilini. Thank you. Next is Shivanya.
K for kite.
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 Very good, Shivanya. Next is Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya.
What is it?
Lay.
Leaf.
Ah, L for leaf. L for leaf. Okay. Okay. Next one, Varsha.
Monkey.
M for
monkey.
monkey. Along with the sound, you have to say, children. Monkey. Come on, say it once again, Varsha.
M for monkey.
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 Very good, Varsha. Next is Visha. Visha.
சத்தமா சொல்.
N for nail.
சொல்லு.
Nail.
Nail.
Okay, sound oda சொல்லணும் கண்ணா. Okay, nail. Very good, Visha. Thank you, Visha. Next one is Vihan. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Oh, octopus. Very good. And next is, whom shall I ask? Sarah. Sarah. P for
Pee bummy.
P for pumpkin. Pumpkin. Very good, Sarah. Next is Mitra. Q. Q. First you have to tell me the alphabet. Q. Q for Queen. Very good, Ma Mitra. Next, Visha. Visha.
என்னது இது சொல்லு. ஆளுக்குள்ள சொல்லு. Q இல்ல R.
Why, Ma Visha? What happened? Visha's mom, you scolded her. For that only I changed again the alphabet for her. Okay, come on, Kanna. Come on. Visha, don't cry. Come on. R for rain. Rain. R for rain. Good girl, Visha. Don't cry, Kanna. Okay? Next is Sugriv Gautam. S for sun. Very good. S for sun. Good.
Very good.
Very good, Sugriv Gautam. Next is Dashwan Velan. T for turtle. Okay? Turtle. Okay. Sarah. What letter is that? U. U.
You, Sarah, you.
U for
Umbrella.
very good. U for umbrella. Madhuvanti. V for, where is Madhuvanti? Santosh. V for
Volcano சொல்லு.
very good, Santosh. V for volcano. Very good. Okay. Vihan. Vihan. W for watch. Watch. Okay. Madhuvanti Kema. Come on, Madhuvanti, answer. X for Very good. Xylophone. Visha, now you will say for Y. Visha will say for Y now. Y for
சொல்லு என்னது இது சொல்லு
yo
Y for
yo. Yo
சத்தமா
yo.
சொல்லு யோ யோ சரி சொல்லு சரி
Yo
தங்கம்
yo.
அப்புறம் போட்டு
Say,
சொல்லு சொல்லு
okay, Kana, I'm not going to disturb you. Okay, don't cry, don't cry. Okay, Y for yo yo. Don't cry, Visha. I'm here, don't cry. Okay, next Z. Finally, we have Z. Who's going to say for Z? Jason. Z for
சொல்லு.
zip. Very good, children. Z for zip. Very good. Now, all of you take your notebook. All of you take your 4-line notebook. Yes, Ma Keshav. Yes, all of you take your 4-line notebook. Come on, fast.
Go back. Jeep. Jet. Go jeep. Oh, oh,
Come on, take your notebook, children, everyone.
I want to say, ma'am.
Yes, Ma. What do you want to say, Kana? Come on. Wait. What letter you want to say? For what letter? For what letter you want to say? Tell me. I'll show you.
Ah.
Huh?
Eh.
For what you want to say? K. Is it K? Wait, I'll show you. Ava. For A, you need to say Va. What is this, Keshav?
A.
A for
A for apple.
A for apple. Then what do you want to say?
Next.
Okay, we'll do the activity time up. Okay, Keshav? Tomorrow I'll give you
Okay,
chance.
ma'am.
Okay? Thank you, Keshav. Like yesterday, parents, I want you to write K, L, M. Yesterday we did till J, right? Today I want you to write K, L, M. 3 letters and 3 pictures. Yes, 3 letters K, L, and M. And 3 pictures here: kite, mango, and lollipop. Draw and give it to them, let them match on their own. If it is wrong, also leave it, parents. Then only we'll know how far they are clear. K, L, M. And yesterday's test also many of you have sent. Thank you so much. Today also we'll be giving another home test. Okay, children, the same way, do it in your notebook and send it to ma'am. Okay? Many of you have colored it well. Very good, children. Only 3, K, L, and M. Okay, children, now first point out which is L. Come on, show me in your notebook which is L. Which is L? Show me in your notebook. Take your notebook like this and show me. Is this L? Is this L? Is this L? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, sir. No. Okay, which is L? This one, huh? This is L? Is this L? No. This one? Yeah, this is L. So you have to show where is L. Show me in your notebook, everyone. L. Yeah, mute yourself, everyone. Okay, next, which is K? Come on, show me K. Where is K? Varsha, where is K? Mitra, where is K? Show me where is K. Show me in your notebook like this, I'll see. Yeah, good. Very good. Varsha, where is your K, Varsha? Very good, Mitra. Good. Mahilini, where is K?
Mahilini.
Where is K, Mahilini? K எங்க இருக்கு? Where is K? இங்க காட்டுங்க K எங்க இருக்கு? இந்த slate you show me. Where is K? Mahilini. This one? Which is K? This one, ah? இது K வா? She is touching correctly, ah?
Yes, ma'am.
This one. Very good girl, Mahilini. Good girl. Thank you so much. Okay, come on, match children now. K for what will you match? Keshav, K for?
Kite.
Very good. K for kite. Shall we match K for kite? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
K for kite. Match K for kite. Yes. Next is L. L for what will come for L? Sugriv Gautam. Very good, Taruneshwar. L for lollipop. Good. Sugriv Gautam. L for
L for
L for
சத்தமா சொல்லுங்க.
Lollipop.
lollipop. You like lollipop very much, ah? Lollipop. Okay. And next, finally, we have M. M for who is going to say M for mango. Very good, Dashwan Velan and Tarneshwar. M for mango. Very good. All of you have done correctly. Good. Yes, Rudvin. Rudvin, what are you doing?
Mango. Please சொல்லு mango. Mango.
Where is mango, Rudvin? All of you color children. If you have finished, color. Where is mango, Rudvin?
நீ காட்டு mango காட்டு மிஸ்க்கு இங்க பாருங்க.
Rudvin. Where is mango? Very good, Rudvin. Where is lollipop?
Lollipop.
Where is lollipop? Touch the lollipop, come on.
நீ touch பண்ணு வா.
Lollipop touch பண்ணுங்க பார்க்கலாம்.
அதோ.
Very good. Okay, thank you, Marudvin. Shishant, what are you doing, Shishant? Shishant.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Mavisha. Well done. Well done. Okay, now all of you take your maths notebook. Come on. Take your maths notebook. Okay, let your parents take your notebook. You come on, look at the screen. What number is this? What number is this? What number is this, all of you? 1. Okay, 1. Okay, and then what number is this? 2. Very good. 2. And then what number is this? 3. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3. Okay, now what we are going to do? We are going to draw balls according to it. So number 1 means only one ball, not more than that. Okay, Dashwan Velan, mute yourself, ma. Okay, 1 means only one ball. Okay, this is 1. Should not draw another ball. No, 1 means only 1. Madhvanti, what you are doing, Madhvanti? Okay, next number is 2. 2 means we have to draw only 2 objects. So we are going to draw 2 triangles. Okay, see here, 1, count and draw. 2, 1, 2. Okay, you have to count. After drawing, you have to count 1, 2 like that. Then 3. 3 means we'll draw 3 objects. For 3 objects, what shall we draw? We'll draw a sun. 1, two sun, and 3. After 3, will you draw? No, because we are going to draw only 3 objects. So, 3 sun only you should draw. Not more than that. 3 na 3 mattumda varayanum. Adukku mela varaya kudadu. You should not draw. Okay, children. 1 means only 1. 2 means 1, 2. 3, 1, 2, 3 objects. Come on, take your math notebook and draw. Come on. Madhvanti, do it in your notebook, Madhvanti. Very good. Finished in your slate. Do it in your notebook. Then only you will be able to color. Madhvanti, Max notebook. Do it in your math notebook, ma. First, you write 1, 2, 3. And then you draw. 1 means next to 1, you draw only 1 ball. 2 means next to 2, you draw 2 triangles. Number 3, next to number 3, you draw 3 sun. Very good, Madhvanti. Do it in your notebook, ma. Good. What you have done in the slate is good. Kavi Kartika. Ananya, draw. I am watching you draw. You yourself try to draw, children. Kavi Kartika, are you drawing? Kavi Kartika. Why don't you say yes, ma'am? Unmute yourself and say Kana. Come on. You are in mute. Unmute yourself and say yes, ma'am. Show me how we have done. Starting எப்படி பண்ணிருக்கீங்க பார்க்கலாம். நோட் காட்டுங்க பார்க்கலாம். Hey, wow. You have done on your own. Very good. Continue. Do. பண்ணுங்க. Very good. 3 sun. Draw 3 sun.
என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க 3 இத பண்ணுறீங்க.
Very good. Muting herself. Good girl. Come on, mute yourself. Shivanya is drawing on her own. Very good. Santosh, what you are doing, Santosh?
சொல்லு coloring ma'am சொல்லு.
Coloring, you finished drawing, Show me how you have done. Let me see.
No ma'am, I drawn and gave ma'am, so I just make him to color.
Okay, fine. Do it. Good, very good. Visha.
Ma'am, Shivanya finished, ma'am.
Very good, Shivanya. Well done. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Color it and send it to me, Shivanya. Okay? Very nice. Good. Yeah, very good, children. Dashwan, good. Color it and send it to me, Dashwan. You colored, Yeah, color it and send, okay? Yes, I'll give you star. Wait. Shivanya, what color star you need? All of you mute yourself, children. Shivanya, what color star you need? Shivanya? What color star, ma Shivanya? Pink, Pink star for Shivanya. Okay? Very well done. Yeah, next is Dashwan. Dashwan. Blue. Dashwan gets a blue star. Very good boy. Next. Welcome, Kanna. Next, who finished? Vihan. Very good, Vihan. What color star you need?
Orange color.
Huh? Daily you are asking orange color. Change your color. Change your color today. Some other color. Purple. Yes.
Purple and
Huh?
purple and blue.
Okay. Brown. Brown. Okay, va. Brown and purple out. 2 star. Ah? Okay. Happy? Okay. Keshav. Yes, Keshav. Very good boy, Keshav. Big pictures you have drawn. Very good. What color star you need, Keshav? You like?
What color?
Yellow color.
Oh my God. I missed out my yellow color. Yellow and orange I don't have. Some other colors? Green?
Pink.
Pink. Keshav is asking pink. Okay? Thank you, Keshav. Yes, Tarjaya. Welcome, ma. Very good, Taruneshwar. Well done. What color star you need?
What color?
Hmm. What color star you need?
You want white color, ma'am?
White. Okay, I'll give you. White. Okay? White color star. Welcome. Varsha, finish? Yes, very good, Varsha and Sugriv Gautam. Well done. Varsha, what color star you need, Varsha?
Pink color.
Yeah, 1 minute, children. Mute yourself. I'll call you 1 minute. Pink color for
Madam,
Varsha.
done coloring.
Yeah, I'll call him. Yeah, very good. Thank you. Welcome, ma. Sugriv Gautam. Sugriv Gautam. Katamata. You don't want star also, va? Star vendama. Chicho. No star. What color star?
என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார்?
என்ன color star?
Black color.
Achu. Why? Daily you will plan to rag me, ஏதாவது கேளு இருக்கிறத கேளுடா. Come on. No black color. I have only blue, brown, purple, brown. Okay? Very good.
Thank you, welcome.
Welcome. I should say welcome. Welcome. This boy is always ragging me. Okay, next is Mitra. Mitra. Yeah, very good, Mitra. What color star you need? Pink.
Peach color.
Pink color. Okay.
Peach. Peach.
Peach. Peach. I don't have peach. Okay. Today you adjust with pink color. Tomorrow I'll give you peach color. Okay. Jason.
Ma'am.
Jason.
Ma'am, here, ma'am.
Very good, Jason. What color star you need?
என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும்? சத்தமா சொல்லு.
What? Pink. Pink.
Yes, ma'am. He's asking pink.
Okay, pink. Jason, pink color star for Jason. Yay! Yeah, welcome. Next is Sri Ananya. Sri Ananya.
Ma'am, cut.
Very good girl. Well done. Okay, what color star you need? What color star?
என்ன கலர் ஸ்டார் வேணும்?
Puppy.
Purple. Purple star for Sri Ananya. Happy? Okay. Welcome, Sri Ananya. Next who is Kavi Kartika? Kavi Kartika.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
color star you need?
Red color.
Red. Red star for Kavi Kartika. Very good girl. Visha Sai. Visha.
Yes, ma'am. சொல்லு.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very nice, Visha. What color star you need?
Green color.
Green color. Green color. Big star for Visha. Yes? Welcome, Kana. Okay, I have given stars for everyone. Madhuvanti. Madhuvanti, what color star?
மது வந்து கேக்குறாங்க பாரு.
Purple, purple, purple. Okay, purple star for
Hey.
Madhuvanti.
Purple
Very
star.
good. Shishan.
Finish பண்ணிட்டியா?
Shishan.
Ma'am.
Shishan, what color star you need, Shishan? What color star?
Red color.
Red. Red. Happy? Red. Red star for Shishan. Yeah, welcome.